Good morning, students. Today I'm going to explain you about the topic non-contact forces. Okay, and under non-contact forces I will explain you about different kind of non-contact forces, in which first is magnetic force. All right, in the previous video I have explained you about contact forces. Now non-contact forces. What are non-contact forces? See, these are the forces in which interaction is not needed. Okay, in which two objects they exert force on each other without interaction or without contact. All right, so these are of three types. First one is magnetic force, second electrostatic, and third one is gravitational force. All right, these are three types of non contact forces. All right, now moving on to the first, magnetic force. See, magnet you all have seen. Okay, and you know that magnets, they attract each other, and they have two poles, north pole and south pole. All right, and you also know that like poles repel each other, whereas unlike poles attract each other. Okay, so magnet can exert a force on another magnet without being in contact with it. Maybe you have observed that without contacting they apply force, okay, or they exert force without contact. So magnet can exert a force on another magnet. Okay, and the force exerted by a magnet is an example of a non-contact force. Okay, magnet which attracts the other magnet, or if it attracts the iron objects. Okay, so these are examples of magnetic force, because magnet has magnetism in it. Okay, because of that force they work, or they attract each other. Example, two opposite poles of magnet, they attract each other. Okay, and same pole, such as south pole and south pole, they are like poles, they will repel each other. And unlike poles or opposite poles, such as north pole and south pole, they will attract each other. Okay, see, these are examples. Here this picture is in your book also. Here in the first one picture, see, both the poles are same. Okay, so these are repelling each other. Okay, and in the second picture these two poles are opposite poles, so these are attracting each other. Right, so here you can observe attraction and repulsion between two magnets. Okay, and these shows about magnetic force, which is a type of non contact force. All right,